When you unbox it, you will receive a handheld controller and a tracker. Before you begin using it, please make sure to watch this tutorial video carefully first. For your first power on, please do so outdoors to ensure a strong GPS signal. Starting the device indoors may result in weak GPS reception, which could cause the initial location acquisition to fail. Press and hold the power button to turn on the tracker. It will beep, and the blue light will stay on for 3 seconds. Press and hold the controller's power button to turn it on. After startup, a figure-8 compass calibration screen will appear. Please rotate the controller, as shown on the screen, to complete calibration. This step may take a little time, but it helps ensure more accurate tracking of your pet afterward. There are 3 channels, allowing you to add up to 3 trackers and track 3 pets. Channel 1 is already paired with the tracker at the factory, and is ready to use. You can skip this step, unless you are adding a new tracker. To pair a new tracker, press the pair button on the tracker and the LED light flashes. Then press the pair button on the controller. If you want to pair it to channel 2, press channel 2. The controller will beep and the screen will display CH2. Paired successful. If pairing fails, repeat the steps. The compass arrow on the controller screen points toward your pet's direction, and the distance shown in the lower right is how far you are from your pet. Press the magnifier button to enable live tracking. Live will appear on the screen. This feature greatly improves tracking accuracy. For more precise location updates, follow the arrow to track your pet. Follow the arrow. As the distance in the lower right decreases, you're getting closer to your pet. When you are within 50 feet, the nearby screen will appear. You can use the sound and light buttons to help locate your pet. After finding your pet, turn off live tracking promptly to save battery. Ensure the controller has GPS signal before enabling geofence. Press the geofence button to enable geofence. The icon will appear on the screen. If your pet moves beyond 500 feet, the controller will alarm. Geofence must be enabled separately for each channel. Press the button again to turn off geofence. Turning geofence on or off for one channel does not affect geofence settings on other channels. When fitting the collar on your pet, make sure there is enough space for 2 fingers between the collar and your pet's neck to avoid pressure. Use the included Type-C and magnetic charging cables to charge the controller and tracker. The tracker's indicator light will turn red while charging, and the battery icon on the controller screen will show green charging status. After tracking your pet, charge the controller near a window for a stronger GPS signal, so location data will be more accurate for future tracking. HOSMART, bring peace of mind.